Captain Joy can give strike to Yusuf. This is the only over where he has the field restrictions, where his hands are free to utilize the big ones.
जी बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने सुनील, और एक मेच्योरिटी दिखाने की ज़रूरत है, एक सहनशीलता और पेशेंस और धैर्य दिखाने की ज़रूरत है। और ये डगआउट का नज़ारा, फैंस पूरी उम्मीदें लगाए बैठे हैं कि जो मनोरंजन ये फॉर्मेट दे सकता है वो शायद T20 भी ना दे पाए। भविष्य की बात कर रहे हैं अभी हम, नॉस्ट्राडामस बनने की कोशिश करते हैं।
That's absolutely true, Vineet. I mean, the Joy looks very firm. I mean, that we saw the slog sweep from Ashok that went to the boundary. That's a big one. Joy, that's his responsibility, getting a boundary to the team. Tigers moves into 18. Few more balls to go in this over. 4 more to go before the power play finishes. That's a clean shot.
जी बिल्कुल क्लीन शॉट और एक आक्रामकता, एक एग्रेशन जो पहले 2 ओवर्स में दिखाई नहीं दिया सुनील, वो अब देखने को मिल रहा है। उसकी झलक अब दिखाई दे रही है और मुझे लगता है इसके बाद जो बैटिंग भी आने वाली है वो भी इससे सीख ले सकती है। इट्स एग्जाम्पलरी एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम।
I think we need what happened in the first, second over. The interesting, I think the captain has made it mind clear that he needs to get his runs. I thought it was close to the wide. Just went over the wide line, Vinith.
That's exactly what I thought, but umpire's call and players' luck.
You're not the umpire, I'm not the umpire, I'm not the bowler, you're not the bowler.
Well, from here on, it may be an uphill task for the Bengal team because they only have about 7 overs to crack up. Well, that was a good ball, Sunil.
That's a good dot. This stage, power play, dot ball, very important.
The batsman
I
struggling.
think Kalai Rasan is bowled well, Vinith. This for his 2 overs. Nice, easy action, hit the right line,
Struggling, Kalai.
just over the stump. That's a good one.
Well, definitely just 2 more balls to go in this over, and that's been lofted up, and let's see what becomes of it. And falls short of the fielder, and perhaps they go for just a single.
I think Joy missed the opportunity of hitting over the boundary line. If not 6, should have gone for boundary. Vinith, full toss, juicy. Nevertheless, fielder also was he close? No, it was not close. Probably would have missed a single as well.
I think that was a good try. Last ball of the over, and last ball of the power play as well. Here's your chance.
Can Joy get a boundary? Definitely, Vinith. You know the way Yusuf has come up and hit that 6 and a boundary. We see here the coach managing his bowlers, planning for the remaining 7 overs.
I'm sure
Very
you can
crucial 7
you can
overs.
relate to that, Sunil.
But absolutely, Vinith, you're spot on.
Well, the clock is ticking and
Cut it, Sonu.
the wickets
Easy,
are
Sonu,
not
easy,
picking.
Sonu.
Well, that's a good news for the Bengal Tigers. And the captain being on the field is reassuring and at the same time entertaining too, because the kind of shots that we have seen through Joy have been good efforts. Some of them have been converted and some of them could need some more spunk.
I think Joy looks pretty
Easy throw, easy
settled
throw,
for a
easy.
single here. It's putting Ashok on spot of trying to get his team's
Sonu ready, Sonu ready.
scores like a machine.
It's a sunny day and it doesn't get hotter than this in Hyderabad during this time of the year, and it's Christmas Eve. Sunil, so both the teams will be trying
Shot!
to register runs on the board as well as come up with a victory so that they can at least go back home and find Santa Claus right next to the Christmas tree with a big box which says, "You won."
Absolutely, Vinny. That's such a lovely day today. Christmas Eve, presents and presents. If you win. Oh, he got a wicket there. Ashok getting Yusuf cleaned up. Oh, Joy. Was it Joy or Yusuf? No, I think it was Joy, the captain. Tigers lost the captain of the team.
Well, the joy and the sheen of the Bengal Tigers has evaporated because of that brilliant bowling effort. And let's relook at that again. And the off stump has almost gone for a walk, Sunil.
Absolutely, Vineet. I was just mentioning, look at that dance. Look at the smart dance. My goodness.
Well, that's the entertainment that we don't get to see when professional cricket is on.
Absolutely. Professionals are not meant to be entertainers.
They're entertainers in their own right, and the captain has walked back to the dugout, and it's not good news. He was looking. All right.
Hey, one more, now, please. One more. What a ball it. One more this over. No, very nice. Okay.
विनीत मैं आपको हिंदी में बता रहा था,
Guys, one
बॉल
more.
स्टंप पे लगा, बंदा बाहर, बॉल बैट पे लगा, बॉल बाहर. Which has happened?
Bowler set.
जी,
Sharp, relax, sharp.
बहुत ही एप्ट एनालॉजी कहेंगे इसको जो आपने दी है, और एक जहन में एक ही
Sharp, good one.
पिक्चर पेंट कर देता है.
One
और
more wicket. All right.
अच्छी गेंद सुनील.
Perfect angle. That's his. Look at the confidence of his bowler.
Cut it, yeah, cut
I think
it,
Ashok
yeah.
has been
What a
bowling really
ball,
well.
not easy to play.
End of the over. 21 for 2. Bengal Tigers.